Okay guys, welcome to this new video, and thank you guys for subscribing and supporting the channel. Today we're going to be designing a smartphone, a modern smartphone, using the six boxes you see here, and this one cycle and this one picture file here. So we're going to be using these six boxes, one cycle, to make this smartphone. So guys, I will really appreciate it if you ask questions. Even if you don't ask a question, if you have maybe a design you want us to treat, all you have to do is comment on any of the videos, and or you can also email me. You can send me an email of maybe a design you want us to treat. So if there's a design you are battling with, so we can treat it on this channel. So and if you don't understand any part, you can ask questions, that you make comments, and I'll answer you. You can also join the Telegram channel and you get answers there. Also the Facebook link, everything will be in the description. So we're going to start. First, we'll take this first box, we'll draw it like this. You apply the curve tool, you just curve it a little like this. As you can see, we already have the phone frame. Next thing is to take this other box. Make sure this box should be on top this. So if you give this another color like this, you can see it's on top. If it's not on top, for instance, if this one is not on top the phone, all you have to do is use Ctrl X and Ctrl V, or you go to object, you go to order, and you go to front here. Okay, so you right click here to remove the outline. You also remove the outline of this one too. Now you just place it like so, drag it to the end. You can centralize it by highlighting everything like this and pressing the C. Then you can drag down like so. You already have your smartphone showing. So what I can do here is okay, what we can curve, let's curve this and still take it up like this, because this is how these modern phones look. As you can see, you can just increase our curve a little, or no, can reduce it, just any way that suits what you're doing. Now as you can see, we have this like this. Remember, you can highlight everything and press C so that to centralize along this X axis. So the next thing will be to get this button. These two buttons here will be for our volume up and down buttons. So you just adjust it like this. As you can see, you just place it by the side. As you can see, it looks like a volume up and down. You can reduce it like this. You can highlight and still take it inside a little bit like so. Next thing, this will be our camera cutout. So all we have to do is, as you can see, the cycle is hidden behind. Use Ctrl X and Ctrl V. You reduce this size. You highlight it with the body and press C so to centralize it, and use Ctrl and drag up so to be centralized. So now you have this on the center. Now you remove the outline of this by right clicking on no color. After doing that, you highlight you highlight the cycle, hold shift down and highlight the screen, and click on trim right here, this area here. You go to trim, and once you go to trim, as you can see, if you remove the cycle, it has cut out this place here. So all you have to do right now, you can just apply some you can apply a bit of interactive feel to this. Maybe just give this a kind of blue color, blue dark color, something like this. Just do something like that, or you just make it a darker color. So on another video, we're going to go deeper into realistic design. So this one, I can actually make this more realistic by adding more things into that place. So the next thing we're going to do, this next I think we'll create an extra box like this. So this one will be for the power button down here, but instead you can just duplicate this one here for your power button, like so. So the next thing, you see this box here, we'll just make it a little bit long like this. We'll reduce the size. You can increase the size a little bit to remove the outline. Then we'll make sure it's on top. Then we'll place it on top this one here, make it like white. We'll draw it down to this place. And now all we have to do is to go to transparency tool. Go to transparency tool, we'll just make it transparent right from here like this. So we want to get it, we want to make it straight. Okay, we have to make it as straight as possible. Can increase the weight. Okay, it's not really straight. The down side has some issues. Let's look at these options here. Okay. Let's try to make it as straight as possible. Okay, I won't spend much time on that area. So we'll do the same for this area too. We'll just take this part up like so. We'll put it here. Make sure it's on top. Make it white like so. Then we'll apply our transparency tool like so. So you can convert this to a bitmap. Convert this to a bitmap and also apply transparency to the right so that nobody will see where it starts from. You also convert it to a bitmap again and do it for this other side. And next thing will just be to apply our wallpaper. We'll just right click and power clip into this main screen. We'll go into the screen by, you can right click and go to edit power clip, or you hold control and click. So if you just increase this, go to increase the breadth, the contrast a little bit. So this is our smartphone design, like so. This is our smartphone that has been designed with those boxes and the cycle. Now you can go ahead and put your time here if you want, or put an icon or whatsoever you want to do. But this is just a basic this is just a basic design. So you double click, you can double click on the rectangle tool and you just apply a little bit of this a little bit of color here. Put this here, something like this. So you can also get a cycle like this. Let's make it a darker color, maybe like so. I'll just go to effect, blur, put some Gaussian blur, apply a little bit of transparency, make sure the phone is on top, and yes, that's it for this video. Make sure to like this video, comment where you are confused. You can also rewatch the video. If you have any design you want us to treat, just comment below, and make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video.